Hello everybody. There are many people ask me that to teach about Japanese phrase. So today I'm going to teach about some Japanese phrase. And as you see here, we have the first phrase like "soria soda." Soria soda. Soria soda is mean that's right. I think that if you learn Japanese in the school, you don't know this word or this phrase because in the school they don't teach the phrase like this. But when you speak with Japanese people or when the Japanese people say talk about Japanese people to Japanese people each other, they sometimes they will use the phrase like this, "soria soda." But normally this phrase it has the original phrase. It doesn't like this. So let's see in here. So I think here we have soria. So where is the soria from? Actually, the soria has its original phrase. Soria is from soleva. Soria is from soleva. Okay. So when you want to say soleva, you can say soria. So when we say like soleva soda, you can say like soria soda or soleva sodes. You can say like soleva sodes, soleva sodes, or soria sodes. Right, so soria soda or soria sodes is not the polite sentence or is not a polite phrase. So when you want to say the polite phrase, you can say soleva soda. And when we use this phrase we will use when we talk with your friends or anybody that you talking with. And when for example, if you're talking with your friends and your friends do something and the result is the normally should be like that, so you can say soleva soda, which means that's right. If you do that, the result should be like this. So to replace this sentence, you can say soleva soda, which means that's right. So I hope that you remember this phrase. It can be useful when you use with your friends or anybody that you get along, well known to each other. You don't use this phrase with your teacher or anybody that you don't know very well or you don't know them well. So the next phrase that we will learn today, like yaru ne. Yaru ne. Yaru ne is mean good job. We will use this phrase when we want to reward someone or somebody, or we want to say about that we want to show somebody that he or she did something or have done something very well. For example, your friends join the competition at school and win the competition to be number 1 or number 2. So, and in that time you go to meet your friends and you can say "야르네." Or if that person is your student, you can say "야르네." Or the person is your family, okay? Or that means you have a son or the grandson, or you have a daughter, and they got win the number 1 at school competition. You can say "야르네," which means you done a good job, or you can say "good job." Okay, so this phrase we will use to show that somebody done something very well. In this phrase, we say like やっと一段落した。やっと一段落した is mean finally came down. We will use this phrase when we do something and in the middle way, and but it's going well and it's not finished yet and it's not complete yet, but you know how to do and you do that work going very well. So, and you can break in the middle way. So in that time you can say やっと一段落した or you can say やっと一段落しました and this phrase you can use when you just talk about the normally conversation with your friends, your teacher, or anybody. This phrase is a polite phrase, so you can use with anybody, not only with the people that you get very well known, but with any friends you can use